Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gyan Ka Dabba. So today we're going to talk about what I think are the most iconic ads of 2020.
ज्ञान का डब्बा।
So when 2020 started, no one could have predicted what this year is going to turn out to be, right? From, shooting big budget films, a lot of brands were in a lockdown situation. They couldn't go out, they couldn't shoot, content had to be created in-house. Literally, brands have shot ad films on phones. Creative people have really had to have their creative juices flowing, and this has just been such an iconic year. So here is a look at some of the ads which I felt really knocked it out of the park. The first one is one of my favorite brands forever, which is Nike. Now, when the Black Lives Matter movement started, a lot of brands were being very cautious on what should they say, when should they say it. But Nike, as always, went out there. They made this beautiful, impactful video with just text. But as usual, their words were so impactful. And more than just their words, the reason people appreciated this campaign is that Nike has always supported athletes of all ethnicities from all parts of the world. So they're not just a brand who comes up and puts up a social media post. They are a brand who truly does what they believe in and truly does what they stand for. There were a lot of other brands which came up with, small posts, especially on Blackout Tuesdays, and they got a lot of backlash because of the way that they have been non-inclusive, because of the treatment of black models in the past and things like that. But Nike really means what they stand for, and their content is just always on point. The next one is an example of excellent online reputation management. So when users complained to Zomato that they were tired of seeing their butter chicken ad on YouTube, Zomato did something that no one could have thought of. They went to the users and said, listen, why don't you make our next ad campaign? And guess what? We'll also give the winner 25 lakhs. Now, when I read about this campaign, I was like, okay, I don't really know how many people will participate, but my God, I was mind blown by seeing the kind of effort that people took in their entries. And what I also loved was how Zomato really kept engaging with users throughout, how they were advertising about it, how they were resharing content, and just the kind of effort that consumers put into these ads really shows how much people love Zomato as a brand and how creative they thought this concept was. It was really the best use of lockdown time. And in fact, Zomato actually went ahead and promoted the ad of the winner on YouTube. So this was an example of how you take criticism from a consumer and turn it into something absolutely amazing.
सर ऑर्डर लेके आया था
बॉयज हॉस्टल 3rd फ्लोर कमरा नंबर 302 और याद रहे भैया ऑर्डर किसी और को मत देना
भैया मेरा ही ऑर्डर लाइए
ऑर्डर किसी और को मत देना
अरे आ गए भैया ला ऑर्डर दो
ये मेरा ऑर्डर है
ओ तेरी स्पाइडरमैन भैया
The third is a campaign by Facebook called More Together. Now, all of us know the phenomena that Baba Ka Dhaba was, and really it showed all of us what the power of social media is. So Facebook leveraged that and leveraged how really the platform can help small businesses with a 7.5 minute long film called More Together, Pooja Didi.
पूजा मिल्क सेंटर याद रखना
दीदी सच में छोटी पैगी दुकान
मैं चल दिया मैं बढ़ दिया कुछ कर दिया चल दिया
दिल खोल के तो देखो दुनिया खुल जाएगी फेसबुक
And for me, the true success of a campaign still is when my family members download that video and send it to me on WhatsApp. And that's really the first time I saw this video was not as a promoted ad on YouTube or on LinkedIn. It was actually when someone saw it and sent it to me on WhatsApp. It's because this ad is so emotional. The storytelling is absolutely beautiful, and it really ties back into how one strong, young, independent woman was able to touch the lives of so many people. And in this year, it really makes you sit back and think of all the heroes who've done this, who've provided employment, who have dealt with so much adversity, and how social media has helped so many small businesses emerge much stronger. promoting and shooting a 7.5 minute long film is something which is absolutely unthinkable of when people have moved to Facebook Shorts, have moved to bumper ads, but beautiful storytelling always and forever will win. The fourth is a campaign by Asian Paints which was released back in March 2020, which really proves to us that great advertising is not just about a fancy set, a fancy video camera, but it's really about capturing consumers' emotions. So Asian Paints released a film which was basically a montage of images and small videos called Stay Home, Stay Safe. It was of course a take on their Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai campaign, but of course with a pandemic twist, which is about who exactly is doing household chores, what's happening now in this new corona situation, and the voiceover was by my all-time favorite Piyush Pandey.
एशियन पेंट्स हर घर चुपचाप से ये कहता है कि जब सब घर में हो तो घर खिलखिलाता रहता है.
If you haven't read Pandemonium by Piyush Pandey, you are really missing on something. He has one of the most iconic voices in the advertising industry, and of course he is a creative genius. This film was executed very simply, but it really hit the consumer at the right time when we were all stuck at home, and really showed us that being home can also be absolutely beautiful. So this film got a huge thumbs up for me because it came out at the right time with a little bit of editing, a beautiful voiceover, and some absolutely phenomenal work. How can we end this video without giving an ode to Ryan Reynolds, who is a marketing genius? His recent ad for Match.com, which is about when Satan met 2020 and what happened when they were a match, is absolutely phenomenal. It picks up on all the small things that went wrong this year, how people ran out of toilet paper, how the stadiums and gyms were completely empty, and it was of course a very different approach to what we typically see on Bumble, Tinder, and a lot of the other dating apps. And truly Satan and 2020 were a match made in hell, but what we got to see as a benefit of that is some amazing content, amazing creativity come out from so many brands, which really showed us that our job as marketers is to always think creatively and not worry too much about the execution and budgets and this and that, but just really to go after amazing creative ideas. So we really hope that you guys enjoyed this videos. If there were any videos or any ads that you loved in 2020, please leave them in the comment section below and we would love to take a look at them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Gyan Ka Dabba so that every time there is a new video, you are the first one to get to know. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.